Okay, I'm going to do 3 example problems on the homework. The homework is due on Friday. What we have up here is what we did in class. So I'm going to do the first 3 problems on row 2, just to help you out on remembering how to do this. We're going to use the box method or the area model method. If you want to use the partial quotient method, you're welcome to, but on the video, I'm just going to do the area model. So for number 2, the first one, 317 divided by 2. I'm going to make my box, my rectangle, my area model. I have 3 digits, so I need it divided into 3 spaces. 317, 300s, 110s, 7 ones. And we're going to divide that by 2. I'm using my 2 times table. For the hundreds part, I'm going to say how many groups of 2 can I make in 3? Well, 1, because 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 is too much, so I'm going to use 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. If I subtract that, I'm going to be left with 1. I'm going to move that 1 in the hundreds over to the 10. So now I have 11 tens. How many groups of 2 can go into 11? Well, let's continue on. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 12 is too much. I only have 11. So I'm going to back up. I'm going to use this one. 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. If I subtract that, I'm going to be left with 1 in the tens place value. So I'm going to move that over to the ones. Now I have 17 ones. How many groups of 2 will go into 17? Well, I'm at 12, so let me continue. $18 is too much. I only have 17, so I'm going to back it up, and this is what I'm going to use. 2 times 8 equals 16. 8 times 2 equals 16. When I subtract, I've got 1 left. That becomes my remainder. So my answer is 158, remainder 1. Okay, the next one we're going to do is 732 divided by 4. So again, I'm going to set it up with my area model or my box method. 700s, 3 10s, 2 1s. All right, I'm going to use my 4 times tables. I need to know how many groups of 4 can go into 7. So I'm going to go 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. That's already too much. I only have 7, so I'm going to use this fact here. 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. If I subtract 7 minus 4, it's going to leave me with 3. I'm going to put that 3, move that 3 to the tens column. Then I'll have 33 tens. All right, I got to see how many groups of 4 I can make in the number 33. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. All right, 36 is too much. So I'm going to back up to the fact before that, which is this fact here. 4 times 8 equals 32. So 8 times 4 equals 32. When I subtract that, I'm going to be left with 1. I'm going to move that 1 from the tens column to the ones. That will leave me with 12 ones. I can look at my chart and I know that this is the fact I'm going to use. I need 3 groups of 4 and 12. If I subtract that, it's going to be a 0. And my answer is 183. The last one I'm going to do in the video is 989 divided by 9. I'm going to set up my area model. Okay, how many groups of 9 can I make in 9? All right, well, 9 times 1 equals 9. There I go. 1. 1 times 9 equals 9. If I subtract that, I get 0. So I can move that to the tens column like the others. It's still just 8. So how many groups of 9 can I make in 8? I can't make any because 9 times 1 equals 9. So I'm going to be at 0 because 9 times 0 equals 0. 0 times 9 equals 0. I subtract that and I'm left with 8. I'm going to move the 8 to the ones column. Now I have 89 ones. Okay, I need to know how many groups of 9 are into 89. Instead of writing it all out, I'm going to use my number sense. And I know that 9 times 10 equals 90. And 89 is very close to 90. So I know I'm going to be using 9 times 9. And 90 minus 9 is 81. So that is the fact I'm going to use. 9 times 9 equals 81. If I subtract that, I'll be left with 8. 8 is less than 9. That becomes a remainder. So my answer is 109, remainder 8. I hope this helps you figuring out the rest of the problems for the homework. Good luck.